Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we break down cybersecurity concepts in a way that just clicks. Today we're diving into the world of IT policies. These documents may not be flashy, but they form the backbone of how organizations handle security, communication, and accountability. Let's start with SLAs, service level agreements. An SLA outlines the expected performance and responsibilities between a service provider and a client. It defines things like uptime guarantees, response times, and penalties for service failures. Think of it as a contract that ensures everyone knows what's expected and what happens if expectations aren't met. Next, we have NDAs, non-disclosure agreements. NDAs protect sensitive information by legally binding individuals or parties to confidentiality. Whether it's intellectual property, trade secrets, or internal communications, an NDA helps keep it all under wraps and discourages leaks. MOUs, or Memorandums of Understanding, come next. These are less formal than contracts, but still outline an agreement between two or more parties. MOUs often define goals, roles, and responsibilities in collaborative projects. It's like a handshake deal, but on paper. Other critical policy types include AUPs, acceptable use policies. These spell out what users can and can't do on company systems. For example, no downloading pirated content, accessing inappropriate sites, or installing unauthorized software. AUPs help maintain security and professionalism. Then there are B-World policies, bring your own device. These define the rules around using personal devices for work. They cover things like required security apps, data separation, and what happens if a device is lost or stolen. You might also encounter security policies like password policies, data retention policies, and incident response plans. These guide how data is protected, how long it's kept, and how to react when something goes wrong. Together, these policies set clear expectations, provide legal protection, and ensure consistent, secure operations across an organization. We also have a whole playlist of videos covering networking concepts, including training that aligns with the CompTIA Network Plus certification. Be sure to check it out if you're ready to go deeper. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time.